In this video, I'll show you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. If your Outlook message looks too crowded or too spread out, you can change the line spacing directly while you're composing the email. In Outlook's formatting tools, this is usually done from the Format Text tab, where you can open the paragraph settings and adjust spacing for the selected text. Microsoft support pages also note that Outlook gives you controls for line spacing, paragraph spacing, and indentation. First, open Outlook and start a new email. Type your message or paste in the text you want to format. After that, highlight the paragraph or the full section where you want to change the spacing. Next, go to the Format Text tab on the ribbon. In the paragraph group, look for the small launcher icon in the lower right corner. Click that to open the full paragraph dialog box. Microsoft's instructions for Outlook. Point to this area when you want more detailed spacing controls. Once the paragraph window opens, stay on the Indents and Spacing tab. Here you'll find the line spacing option. You can choose settings like single, 1.5 lines, double, or more exact spacing options depending on how you want the message to look. Microsoft also explains that more specific spacing can be set through the paragraph dialog, including fixed or minimum spacing values. You can also adjust the before and after spacing for paragraphs. This is useful when you want more space between sections of your email without pressing enter too many times. It helps your message look cleaner and more professional, especially in longer emails. Microsoft documents these paragraph spacing controls as part of the same formatting area. After choosing the spacing you want, click OK. Your selected text will update right away. If it doesn't look quite right, reopen the paragraph settings and make another small adjustment until the email looks the way you want. One important thing to remember is that some Outlook versions look a little different. For example, newer Outlook interfaces also have separate spacing controls for the message list or compose layout, but those are different from the paragraph spacing inside the email body itself. And that's it. That's how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.